Are you struggling to change chart options dynamically in NVD3 for Angular 2? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to adjust your chart's Y domain after initialization. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to update your chart options, but nothing seems to work. Many developers face this issue, and it can feel like you're hitting a wall. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I change the Y domain of my NVD3 chart dynamically after it has been initialized? They tried updating the Y domain directly, but it didn't work. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you initialize a chart in NVD3, it sets certain properties that may not update as expected when you try to change them later. Understanding this behavior is key to finding a solution. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your chart options more effectively. To change the chart options dynamically in NVD3 for Angular 2, the user should first ensure that they have a reference to the chart instance after it has been initialized. This is crucial for making any updates. Next, the user can modify the chart options by directly updating the properties of the chart instance. For example, to change the Y domain, the user should access the chart instance and set the new values. After updating the options, the user needs to call the update method on the chart instance. This will re-render the chart with the new options applied. Finally, the user should ensure that the chart is responsive to any changes in data or options. This can be done by setting up a watcher or using Angular's change detection. Fun fact, did you know that NVD3 is built on top of d3.js, which is one of the most powerful libraries for data visualization? It's like having a superpower for your charts. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shared their experience with updating chart options dynamically. They mentioned that using this .options.chart.y domain is indeed the correct method. Initially, they faced issues with updating the title, but after fixing an unrelated error, the dynamic update worked as expected. They suggest checking your code for other potential issues. Here's a pro tip. Always remember to call the update method after making changes to your chart options. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to change your NVD3 chart options dynamically. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Angular and data visualization.